She got it. Look, handle me. Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him, ain't no taming me. I love my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 with this superstar beat.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Okay, today I'm coming with the hair review. I'm going to be installing this wig right here, Glueless lace wig by Bobbiboss. It's 13 by 7 extended lace frontal. I got an interview tomorrow and I gotta look good, so I have to go get me a new wig or whatever. So this is how it looks when you open the box or whatever, and here's what the tag looks like. And y'all, if I'm rushing or I'm talking fast, I'm trying to hurry up because I have to hurry up and try to do this before my kids. If I have to go get my kids. So I'm just taking the net off and stuff. Take all this stuff off. So this is, it's like a little bob. It's a little bob. This is what the lace looks like. Or whatnot. So it's pre-plucked. And then it has this little band, the band on the inside for like it to be glueless or whatnot. Which is good because your girl ain't got that much time. So I'm about to try it on and see what it look like, how good it match up with my skin and stuff. I already have my hair braided down. What I'm just gonna do is just put the little braids in the back to the little ponytail. Oh, and the wig has only 3 clips on the inside. So I'm just gonna put the little clip on. Okay. So it match up with my skin a little bit. So this is what it looks like freshly out the box on my head. So what I'm gonna do is just like cut the little ear tabs out and stuff. And then I'll be right back. So what I'm just gonna do is pull this back into a little ponytail. And then I'm going to cut the lace in different sections. I'm going to do it in 3 different sections. Okay. And then I'm going to pull it up some and spray. I'm going to use my Got To Be. I'm going to spray right here. As close to the hairline as possible. To spray on the sides. So now I'm just going to get my scissors and cut across as close to the hairline as possible in a zigzag motion. Never cut straight across. And then so you see that little white line? What I'm going to do is simply just spread on my finger and rub it across. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just get a rag and wipe across and clear all of that up, and then I'm gonna style it